How fast you can set up an instance in Amazon Cloud, AWS Cloud. Is it minutes? Is it hours? Or is it days? Say you have 50 developers starting in your organization tomorrow, and you have to set up their development machines. How fast can we set up? Hi, this is Sudhakar Moparthy. Today we're going to talk about instances and AMIs. The relationship between an AMI, an instance, host computer, instance family, etc. So let's go and take a look at our c1c2 diagram. So we have a host computer on which we will put virtual servers. On this host computer, we can put these virtual servers called instances, and these virtual servers, these instances are based on an AMI, Amazon image. You have this AMI is used to launch an instance on this host computer. Every instance has a type. What is the type? The type is nothing but four parts. Instance family, C for computing, M for memory optimized, computer optimized, etc. Instance like 5th generation, 4th generation, like that. And then some additional attributes, capabilities, ANI, these abbreviations, we can take a look at it. Instance size, large, extra large, 2x large. And when you combine all these things, you get your instance type. So for example, we say C5N extra large. That's one instance type, C5N extra large. C means compute instance family, instance generation, 5th generation, N network optimized, X extra large. That's the instance size, extra large. Now every instance will have some storage, and you can set up the storage of in using two types of volumes. One is instance store volumes you can attach to this instance, and you can also attach EBS volumes. Instance store volumes are gone when you terminate the instance. The data stored on this, these are like hard disks, and so the data stored on this will be gone. Whereas when you when you stop or terminate, the data stored on this volume can be preserved. Each volume can be preserved. When you terminate this instance, you can specify whether to delete this EBS volume or not. If you say don't delete the EBS volume, then it will be preserved. Then when you launch another instance, you can always attach the previous EBS volume. Whereas instance store volume, the data will be gone. So this is temporary data. AWS, if this instance is not healthy, then another instance will be launched by EC2 service, and it will whatever data on this store will be gone. So that's why you have to decide if the data can be retrieved and put on the machine, then you don't have to worry, even if this is gone, since you have this data somewhere else, and then you can always put it back, part of your installation or something like that. If you want to preserve, then just use these EBS volumes, and that way you can always attach it back. So if you go and read this entire page, instances and AMIs, that's what it is saying. What are instances? Security best practices, terminating, stopping, AMIs, and then instance types. The structure C5N extra large. What do they mean? General purpose. Computer optimized. Storage optimized. Like that. That C5N that we talked. Network optimization. N stands for network optimization. So these are the different attributes that you can use to specify the instance type. So you'll be able to understand all these things very easily. As far as instance types and AMIs, and then how instance store and EBS volumes are linked, you'll be able to understand with this high level C1C2 diagram. Hope that is helpful. Talk to you later.